TG, Ambika and the members of Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom. Warm Innerville greetings. I am Shailaja Pankaj, past District Chairman of Innerville District 321 and also the Constitution and Credential Committee Chairman for the current year. We are at the dawn of a new Innerville year and we are all looking forward how we will work during this year with lot of constraints because of the onset of a very terrible pandemic. Our association president and our IAW president, they are there to motivate us. And our IAW president, Dr. Beena Vyas, has never thought in her dreams that the theme she gave this year, Lead the Change, will be very relevant to the present circumstances. We are leading the change. We have to lead the change to become successful. We are all becoming tech savvy. We are doing our meetings in Zoom. So we are accustomed to a new mode of functioning. So in this situation, what do we need? We need hope. Hoping that everything will become all right. Hoping that we will be able to have a better tomorrow. That is where our association president is coming with the association goal as hope. She is stressing on 4 verticals of health, orphans and old age, patriotism and environment. So what we should do? We should try our level best to reach out to the needy in this time of economic recession. Our association president has told us that we can do the work looking into the need of the society in which we live. And that is very pertinent now at this time. So many are there, so many unemployed people are there. We have to reach out to them in whatever ways possible, strictly following the safety guidelines. So I think we'll be able to do our best as Innerville members at this time of crisis. TG, who is going to be the president, is a gem at heart as I know her, and she is a very capable and well-accomplished entrepreneur steering the ship of Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom. And joining her is an equally capable and smart and efficient doctor, Dr. Ambika Shetty. And I am very sure that this super duper duo will be able to lead Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom to greater heights even at this time of a pandemic. So I wish TG, Ambika, Archana, Sandhya and the bunch of blossoms all the very best for a very purposeful, innovative and meaningful year. And I'm sure that we will be able to do our best under the leadership of TG. All the best to everyone. Thank you.